morning everyone. Welcome back to Nimcet Data 2.2. Today we will discuss about Nimcet notification 2023. Here we will see on the screen of a smartphone Nimcet 2023 application form will be released by first week of April. NIT Common Interest Test is a national level entrance exam held by National Institute of Technology for admission in their MCA program. There are 11 NIT which participate in Nimcet examination, and qualified applicant of this examination will get admission in one of 11 NITs in India. Let's go started about notification of Nimcet 2023 examination. Nimcet notification release date 28 March 28 March 2023. Release of online application 4th April 2023, and last date to fill online application 9th May 2023, and correction in exam center till 13th May 2023, and here the registration process for Nimcet application form will be held through online mode. The application form will be made up available for eligible candidate only, so applicants are suggested to check the complete eligibility criteria before applying for it. The last date to fill the application form online is until first week of May 2023. Let's go about to application fee. Nimcet application form fee can be submitted through online mode only. Applicant can use credit card, debit card, and net banking payment gateway for transaction of application fee. Below, for general OBC and EWS category applicant, 2,500 application fee, and SC, ST and PWD candidate pay only 1,250 rupees. Nimcet eligibility criteria. Applicant must be citizen of India. Applicants must have either BSc, BSc Honours, BTech, BE, BIT, BVoc, BBA or BC degree from any recognized institution. Applicant must have obtained at least 60% or 6.5 CGPA, 50% or 6 CGPA for SC/ST in their qualification examination. Applicant must have mathematics, statistics as mandatory subject in qualifying examination. Appearing candidates can also apply for Nimcet, but they will have to submit the proof of certifying the eligibility before counseling. Applicants those have passed their graduation from Open University can also apply for this examination. Examination will be held through online mode only. Question paper will contain multiple choice question MCQ. There are total 4 sections in Nimcet question paper. Medium of examination will be English language. Only 2 hours will be provided to the applicant for solving the question paper. Nimcet question paper will be consist of 120 MCQs. Total 4 marks will be provided on each correct question, and -1 will be deducted on each negative response. In 4 section, 50 question of mathematics, 40 question of analytic ability and logical reasoning, 20 question of general English and 10 question of computer awareness will be uh, held in question paper. Nimcet syllabus in mathematics section set theory, probability, statistics, algebra, calculus, coordinate geometry, vector and trigonometry, analytic ability and logical reasoning. This section will be consisting of logical question from given passage in the question paper. In computer awareness, computer basic, organization of computer, central processing unit, structure of instruction in CPU, input output device, computer memory, data representation, integer, fraction, binary and hexadecimal representation, binary arithmetic. The admit card will be released by official authority for every successfully registered applicant through online mode. Applicant will be able to get their admit card from first week of May by logging into the exam conducting authority. Admit card will not be sent to any applicant individual through by post or any other offline mode. Applicant will have to bring their admit card along at the examination center as no applicant will be allowed to participate in the examination without valid admit card. Answer key will be released after few days from completion of examination. Applicants will be checked to the answer key from 4th week of May 2023 through the website of Exam Conducting Authority, which is National Testing Agency (NTA). Nimcet result will release the result for every exam participated applicant through online mode. Applicant will be able to check their result from first week of June 2023 through website of official authority. Cutoff marks will be released for by the NTA after declaration of result. The cutoff marks will be minimum marks applicant will be to score to be eligible for the further admission procedure. Applicant will be able to check the cutoff marks through official website for every participating NITs. Applicant will be called for the counseling procedure on the basis of their cutoff marks. Preparation tips. Visit the complete exam pattern and syllabus of Nimcet examination. Make the proper balanced schedule for the study and follow it strictly. Avoid any kind of distraction and keep your focus on the study. Make the notes and revise them. Participate in the mock test, which is conducted by various institutions. Regularly solve the previous year question paper and solve sample paper question. Below you will see the Nimcet contact number and helpline number. Please note down the Nimcet contact number and helpline number. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my video for more information about Nimcet examination.